Agua matar, mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Agua matar, uy.
Oh no!
Cause you had a bad day, 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 you take it one.
No, you get out.
Now that I got a taste, I think that I'd suffocate for every second that you aren't by my side. But now I'm stuck at the gate, a Lucifer's estate. I fell in love with a girl I met in hell, thinking about all the things, the way you pull my strings. I love the way you turn me on. I ain't Hades, but I'm the king. I'd do anything so that I could take you home.
So you could keep on shaking it. Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Picasa. Shakira, Shakira.
Oh baby, when you
Agua matar, mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Agua matar, uy, uy.
Say me, ho. Hey, big dog, man, if you don't put my son down, man, what's wrong with you, dog, huh? You know I don't play about my wish you would. Now, unless you want to meet God early, you better keep your hands off mine. Boy, outside his mind putting his hand on my children, man.
pickle.
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing.
Kai.
Hey, hey, boy. What's up?
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Can I get a? Oh yeah! A pizza here. Oh, nigga!
Alexa, what does a dog sound like?
Họ đẩy lính lên tí là mình hết rồi.
That is a... Eat, Coco. Eat.
Me voy a matar. Este es mi último. Uy. 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 Me voy a matar. Uy.